Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I want to work on some costumes for Spellcaster. As you can see, I'm already creating the first costume. This is a developer costume and is based on concept art that I've drawn before. So what I'm doing is I'm creating the costume for each animation. Now this isn't the same costume, this is actually another costume that I created, which is the promotional costume, which will probably be on any promotional work that I do for the game, and I think it looks really nice and it's just slightly different to the developer costume. So now what I'm doing is I'm just filling in any holes that there are in the costumes so they work on everything, and I've put it in its own layer, and I need to make it work with the smallest version of the player sprite so that it works, because if it doesn't then it will go through the player when it's in its shortest position. I think it looks really good and I hope you like the look of it too. So now what I'm doing is I'm naming the layers into what costume they are. For example, Promo Cos is the promotional costume and Dev Cos is the developer's costume. Now I'm just creating some more generic costumes. This is a complementary purple with a nice green. I think it looks really nice as well. It's a very pleasing colour. After creating some more costumes, I went into the game. I didn't finish off those costumes, so today we're just adding the developer costume. And you can see that I'm sorting out all of the animations for it. And this did take some tweaking of the sprite, and there will also be some more tweaking soon, because it just didn't work properly and it looked really weird. Next week I'm probably going to do a video where I add in a costume switching element to the game. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but I'll work it out during the week. As well as that, my aim is to add potentially one costume every week so that we slowly build up a nice amount of costumes for the game for when it releases. So just to give you an idea of the costumes I have a complementary blue and green, which you saw at the beginning of creation. I also have a complementary blue and orange, and it all looks really good. I just need to finish off the animations. As well as that, I have some slightly different costumes. So I have 3 anklets right now, which are gold, silver and bronze. As well as that, I also have a body armor costume and a skeleton suit costume. So here I'm just adding the code that will allow us to sync the costumes animations with the player's animations. So all it does is when you start an animation by walking or idling, it will also set the current animation to that. And then this current animation variable will be used to set up the animation on the costume. So what I do in the process is every single frame I will make sure that the costume is playing the right animation using this current animation variable, and it all works. This is where I went off and made some changes, and I also realised that some of the animations were too fast, some were too slow, and then it looked better. After fixing the animations, we are done for today. You can see that the dev costume is added and it looks so cute on our character. I still don't currently have a name for this character, so I'm just going to call it the Spellcaster, but it looks really cute. I can still save and load. If you didn't see my short, then I improved that system, but for now, thanks for watching. That's it for this week, and goodbye.